And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Happy holidays, Sea Lions, and welcome to the Sea Lion Splash. Happy holidays! Bye! Happy winter break! Happy Hanukkah!
This is Sea Lion leader Ariana with this week's announcements. The winter chorus performance is on Monday at 6 p.m. Happy holidays! Be on your best behavior because Wednesday is when we have our Teacher for the Day celebration. There is no pageant rehearsal on Thursday. Enjoy the afternoon off, 5th graders. Friday is our last day of the semester. Thank you for working so hard and achieving great things in the classroom and on the playground. Well done! Winter break begins on Saturday, December 23rd. We will get 2 weeks off. Woohoo! School will return on Monday, January 8th. Happy holidays, Sea Lions. We'll see you in the New Year's.
Action.
What are you doing here?
I don't know.
Winter is here, and our sea lions are spreading joy and cheer. We want to wish you the happy holidays during the month of December.
Who are you grateful for?
Miss Carey, Miss Lee, and Miss O'Brien.
Why?
Because they are the best teachers to ever teach me in the school.
I'm thankful for everyone in the school because they make the school better. Miss O'Brien. I appreciate Miss Francisco and Miss Monteleone. I appreciate Miss Garner and Miss Smith. Thank you. Thank you. I'm grateful for Miss Lee because she teaches me math. We appreciate the lunch lady for always helping us with Foursquare and being very nice. Happy holidays! Kindergarten.
Congratulations to Mrs. Barr student in UTK, Julian Lean. She says that Julian went out of his way to help others at every opportunity today. Thanks, Julian.
First grade.
Miss Charisse wants to shout out first grader from Miss Gardner's class, Charlotte Reynolds. She says that some friends left a wellness center without cleaning up. So Charlotte stayed behind to make sure it was clean. Thanks so much.
Second grade.
Mrs. Ham wants to shout out second grader Isaiah Sowells. She says Isaiah was playing football with another student who really needed a friend to play with. Way to go.
Third grade.
Miss Cohen wants to shout out Bella Herrera from third grade. She says that Bella is patient and encouraging. She teaches me and other friends true patience by her actions. Thanks so much, Bella.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to celebrate fourth grader Mia Vasquez. She says that Mia is brightening up the class with her artwork that she makes at home. She puts in extra time to make things beautiful. She's also super excited to be a sea lion. Thanks, Mia.
Fifth grade.
Mrs. Wallace wants to shout out fifth grader Owen Davies. She said that Owen brought in all the PE equipment during recess, and he's been doing this without being asked. Thanks so much for doing the right thing, Owen.
Have a great week and spread love and cheer. Bye, Sea Lions.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.